Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about how to search for a project on freelancer. So guys, for searching projects here in this window, when you log into freelancer, then you will see this type of surface on your screen. So here in this search bar you have to search for a project linked to your skills. So like if I write here logo design, and here I will search for a skill which is graphic design. So once you're done with these two bars, then you have to scroll down here and you will see all the projects related to your skills. So guys, as you can see, there are so many jobs for logo design and graphics, and you can also search for your category. It can be virtual assistant, it can be linked to typing, it can be linked to web development, and it can be linked to content writing. So everything you want to search, you can search from here in this bar, and you have to write your skills over here, and then all the project will be shown over the screen. So guys, this is how to search project on freelancer. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.